Google. Hello, I'm back again. So today I'll be talking about learning with Google. So before I start off, I'll just let you know how I came up with this one. So when I started my tech journey, I definitely found like hundreds of resources to learn from. But I realized it very later that if you're learning from a resource, then you need to really know where you are learning it from. Then I saw so many Google resources and so many websites. Like Google is the creator, so why not learn from the creator itself? And that's why I started curating a list of resources that you can learn from Google. Over the years, I have prepared like so many bookmarks, and today I like to just present to them. So if you are a junior or changing careers or just starting out, stay tuned. A little disclaimer, I might forget a few resources. So if I do, please let me know. And yes, this presentation will have lots and lots of links. So what I've done is I have actually shared the presentation on that link. So you can find all the bookmarks and all the links just there. All right, so starting off with the very basics. So very basics, and if you're very new to the industry or you just want to be tech easy, you might find this one very useful. You can learn for school, work, life, whatever. Just very basic courses. You can even have your kids learn some of those courses, and even involves creating a meeting, like, courses like creating a meeting, finding time on Google Calendar, like corporate basic stuff, right? And I wanted to mention this one where Read Along app by Google and Learn Computer Science CS first, and Code with Google, because I know a few parents might be here and that could actually help, because Code with Google is literally a very good tool for your kids to learn programming in a very interactive way. And there's also Family with Google. So families can learn a little tech stuff together with schools going remote and everything like that. You can understand the ecosystem, classes, and how it all works. And finally, some digital skills. So talking about digital skills, I wanted to share Grow.Google. It has two parts, as you can say. You can learn your things about your business, or you can learn things about your digital marketing. And you can select any of them and start exploring. With Digital Garage, I found it very, very useful. So when I came to Melbourne, I started working with a company in e-commerce, and they really wanted to understand and run their campaigns. And I was very new to digital marketing, and it really, really helped me grasp the very basic concepts. And then I actually found Think with Google, which has amazing articles that show how different companies have disrupted and using innovation in their strategies and everything. Then there's Google Skill Shop, a place for professional certificates and digital marketing. Then there is Google Domains. Now you would think, why domains? Well, if you have a domain and you don't know what to do, go here and you will know that. Next, Web Designer. So Google Web Designer is for learning about HTML5 designs and creating engaging videos. And then finally, Google for small businesses and for startups. So it is not just about setting up your businesses using Google Suite or Google Workspace, but it is also about accelerated programs, grants, etc. that you can find in there. Very useful. Coming on to my favorite part, which is developers.google.com, which is a one-stop shop for all the devs out here. You can find like hundreds of courses in here. You can build anything from everything. Just go through it. You'll find so many courses on designing layouts, building games, and you can do multiple certifications. Once in a lifetime, there's definitely a chance you'll get to work on Google APIs. So I definitely recommend you to check out Google APIs Explorer. Then there are websites such as web.dev or Android, I forgot the name now. But if you go on one of these websites, you will actually find specialized courses or specialized content for Android, for Flutter, for Firebase, for TensorFlow, for web, etc., etc. And then I wanted to specifically call out for Google Cloud Skills Boost. So apart from the Google Cloud website that provides all the documentation, this one basically lists the pathways for all the proper syllabus. It takes you through step by step. So if you are new to it, you can go for it definitely. Then there is Google AI, where you can learn both AI, ML, and you can find some open source projects as well. And finally, a blog for developers. We can't get enough of them, can we? Cool. What? Do I need to tell you about this? Well, we all know what Google Developers Group is. You all are here. I wanted to highlight the community aspect of Google, because when you're learning with someone, you know you're sharing that knowledge. You have that same feeling with that person. You're connecting, and you're able to learn better. You're able to experience that learning in a very better way. So there are so many resources. One of them is a Women Tech Makers group, which is for women in tech, which have so many initiatives and resources as well to learn from. Then there are GDSCs, which are your Google Developer Student Clubs. So if you are here in Melbourne, I mean, obviously everyone is here in Melbourne, but even if you're in any other region, you can always find university clubs. One of them here is Monash, and I think the other one is Melbourne Uni. So go check it out. Then there's also a GitHub repository for Google Developer Experts. Don't forget to check it out. And then there are a lot of coding competitions, such as Kickstart Solution Challenge or Google Summer of Code, where you can find so many projects, so many things to learn and compete. Next, this one is like my favorite. Now, build your future with Google. It is very close because if you are like me, who dreams to work at Google someday, then you definitely want to check this one out. It has so many things such as internships, apprenticeships, programs, scholarships, etc., etc. It even has resume and interviewing with Google Tips. So if you get a chance, definitely have a look. The other thing I don't want to miss out is basically Google Professional Certificates. Now, these ones are like 6-month, fully fledged online courses with projects, peer marking, involves like some real research. So I enrolled into the Google UX one and completed the first part of the syllabus, but then I couldn't, I was very lazy. I would love to do it, but yes, the whole content that I covered, that was very, very useful. And people have said that they have got promotions, they have been able to change careers successfully. So definitely check that one out. Well, Google doesn't stop here, like giving all the readable, usable content. Now it goes far beyond and provides podcast lovers a lot of podcasts. So if you Google Grow on Air, you will find so many podcasts. Grow on Air, Developers on Air, Cloud on Air, Ads on Air, and everything on air, like whichever, whatever is possible. So I'd like you to check it out when you're going home tonight. Just hear it. It's pretty good. And well, learning cannot be complete without any fun. Now, I have to ask, how many of you here wait each year for Santa Tracker and then play Santa games every day? I can see Katie. I am the one. Anyone else? Oh, no, you should check it out. It's so good. It's like amazing games there. And one other interesting thing is, like, if you go to Google and search for your favorite Friends TV show character, it would actually, you will be amazed. And then there is this quick draw with Google, where if you're trying to draw something, it guesses. And if you have poor drawing skills like me, you're going to have a good laugh. Well, I spent too much time on the internet. But, so this is all the list, and thank you. That's a wrap. If you haven't got it, you can click the picture of the link, and yeah, I'll share the slides anyway. Cool, and connect with me on this.